because the camera's quite low, down to camera, yeah? Hi, my name is David Gumbleton from HPO.TECH. We're here today at the Sheffield United training ground to deliver some training on their brand new HPO.TECH Hyperbaric chamber. Welcome everybody. So today we're going to look at physiology, how the chamber operates, safe operation of the chamber, protocols. It's not a big cast iron chamber. You're getting angiogenesis, so new blood vessels, mitogenesis, stem cell mobilization, neurogenesis. So all of those things are relevant in the healing process. The air brakes are triggering these repair mechanisms. It's going to be like going to the gym. Once you've got your exercise, your nutrition and your sleep right, what's your next thing? It's not going to be supplements, it's got to be this. So we've had a great day here at Sheffield United. The medical team have really engaged with the training. They should get the maximum benefits from their hyperbaric oxygen therapy.
HPO.TECH. Engineering the possible.